In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best electric jigsaw available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the electric jigsaw list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the jigsaw mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. Nanwei Mini Cutting Machine 12V Jigsaw. The Nanwei Mini Cutting Machine is a versatile household electric saw designed for precision in woodboard drawing. Operating at 12V, it offers a compact and handy solution for various cutting needs. This multifunctional reciprocating saw combines efficiency with portability, making it an ideal tool for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists. Whether you're working on small woodworking projects or intricate designs, the Nanwei Mini Cutting Machine delivers reliable performance. Number 4. Makita DJV185 18V Cordless Body Handle Jigsaw. Makita's DJV185 is an 18V cordless jigsaw featuring a comfortable body handle design for enhanced control. With 3 orbital settings and straight cutting capabilities, it provides versatility in different cutting applications. The built-in LED light ensures improved visibility, especially in low-light conditions. The 23mm cutting capacity makes it suitable for various materials, catering to the needs of professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 3. Cordless Jigsaw Electric Jigsaw Blade Adjustable Speed. This cordless jigsaw offers adjustable speed and a 6-gear speed power tool compatible with Makita 18V batteries. Its electric jigsaw blade ensures precise and efficient woodworking. With variable speed settings, this tool provides adaptability for different materials and cutting requirements. The inclusion of LED lighting further enhances visibility during operation, making it a valuable addition to any woodworking toolkit. Number 2. AOBEN 600W Electric Jigsaw Guide 6 Variable Speed. AOBEN's 600W Electric Jigsaw is a powerful tool with 6 variable speed settings, providing flexibility for a range of cutting tasks. The guide and 10 included metal blades offer versatility for different materials and projects. With a quick blade change feature and compatibility with Makita 18V batteries, this electric saw simplifies the cutting process. The one-piece carbon brush ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable choice for both amateurs and professionals. Number 1. Woodworking Electric Power Tool Jigsaws 65mm 2900 RPM Cordless Jigsaw. Topping the list is a high-performance woodworking electric power tool, boasting a 65mm cutting capacity and 2900 RPM. This cordless jigsaw is designed for efficiency, and its quick blade change feature ensures minimal downtime. With compatibility for Makita 18V batteries, it offers convenience and flexibility on the job. Ideal for various woodworking applications, this tool combines power and precision, making it a top choice for those seeking a reliable and versatile cordless jigsaw for their projects.